Stop trading your hours for pennies. In 2026, the old rules of money are dead. AI has changed the game, and you're either the player or the prize. This is the story of the AI Alchemist, a transformation from the time trap to a legacy of infinite leverage. Welcome to Kingfinity Wealth. Today, we're building your 10-minute roadmap through the parable of the AI Alchemist. Meet Alex. Alex worked 60 hours a week, yet his bank account never seemed to grow. He was a prisoner of the most expensive currency, time. The time trap is a zero-sum game. Your income is strictly capped by the number of hours you can physically work. Most people die on this treadmill. Alex was burning at both ends. Stress was high and the rewards were low. He realized that working harder wasn't the solution. He needed to work differently. One rainy Tuesday at 2 a.m., Alex stumbled upon a concept that would change his life forever: agentic AI leverage, the ability to clone his intent. He saw the three secret ingredients of the AI Alchemist: the idea engine, the value multiplier, and the ghost army. Alex decided to test the myth. Chapter 1. The idea engine. Most people waste time guessing what people want. The Alchemist knows. Alex used AI to scrape the web, predicting trends weeks before they hit the mainstream. He stopped chasing the market and started anticipating it. The idea engine identified a massive gap in eco-friendly home tech. Alex didn't have to be an expert. His AI was the expert. He chose his battleground. He built an AI-driven affiliate network. The AI wrote the reviews, optimized the SEO, and managed the links. Alex was just the curator of the engine. 3 days later, while Alex was at his day job, he received a notification, his first commission, a small drop of gold, but proof that the engine worked. Chapter 2. The value multiplier. Alex realized that trading products was good, but owning assets was better. Digital assets. He used AI to package his research into templates, prompts, and ebooks. He transformed his temporary knowledge into a permanent digital asset. This is the magic of zero marginal cost. It cost Alex nothing to sell the second, 100th, or 1,000,000th copy. His AI was his manufacturing plant. Alex was no longer a salesman. He was an owner. His digital empire grew while he slept, while he ate, and while he played with his children. The multiplier was active. The drips turned into a stream. Alex's digital products were solving problems for people he would never meet, in countries he would never visit. Passive wealth was real. Chapter 3. The Ghost Army. To truly scale, Alex needed a brand, but he didn't want the fame. He wanted the results. He built faceless content brands. He used AI to write viral scripts, generate perfect voices, and create stunning visuals. He was the ghost in the machine. Alex was the conductor. His AI army was the orchestra. Together, they produced a symphony of content that dominated social feeds across the globe. The traffic from his ghost army fed his affiliate links and sold his digital products. It was a closed loop of autonomous profit. Alex had won the game. Alex stepped off the treadmill for the last time. He wasn't richer because he worked more. He was richer because he owned more leverage. He was an alchemist. He had built an architecture of freedom, a system that protected his time and amplified his impact. This is the Kingfinity standard. But Alex's story isn't just for him, it's for you. The scroll is now in your hands. Let's look at your 10-minute roadmap to the alchemist's life. Step 1. The time audit, minutes 1 to 2. Identify every task you do that a machine can do better. Stop being a worker and start being an operator. Eliminate the noise. Focus only on the high-leverage activities that require your unique human vision. Delegate the rest to the AI. Step 2. Selection. Minutes 3 to 5. Pick your first ingredient. Will you be a connector, a creator, or a ghost? Choose one and master it. Intensity wins. Don't spread yourself thin. One deep-rooted system is worth more than 10 shallow side hustles. Focus is the fuel of the alchemist. Step 3. Build the system. Minutes 6 to 10. Automate the first loop. Your goal is an autonomous engine that works without you. Build it brick by brick. Connect your tools. Use triggers. Create a workflow where your only involvement is at the highest level of decision-making. Be the owner of the machine. Don't fear AI taking your job. Fear the person who knows how to use AI taking your job. Become the pilot of this technology, not the passenger. This is the Kingfinity mission. We empower the alchemists of the future. Your legacy isn't built on sweat, it's built on systems. Join us. Your transformation begins now. Take the first step and never look back. The age of the AI Alchemist is here. Will you lead it? Subscribe to Kingfinity Wealth and build your financial legacy with us. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.